This is the JBL Live Pro 2 review. I'm Jason and welcome back to Telefonika Talks. For anyone out there looking for earbuds with strong audio performance and above average noise cancellation, including a solid in-app experience, the JBL Live Pro 2 is your best bet. In the box, you're first greeted with the earbuds case, paperwork, the earbuds themselves, a USB-C cable, and some ear tips. The JBL Live Pro 2 has a stem-like design mirroring the look of several other true wireless earbuds you probably have heard of or seen. That's not to say that they don't look distinctive though. JBL brings its own more angular take on the design. The body of the buds is made from matte plastic and there's a high finish on the externally facing side of the stem. The shiny touch adds a high-end feel to the buds, which I really like. You'll find a choice of small, medium, and large ear tips in the box to get the perfect personalized fit for your ears. These buds have an IPX5 rating, which means they are water resistant and will handle some sweat. But they are not fully waterproof and shouldn't throw them in the bath and expect it to end well. This level of waterproofing is still very good compared to some of the buds that don't have water resistance rating at all. The case is small and compact and easy to carry around in your pocket through the day, and you can charge it via USB-C or wirelessly, which is super cool. Magnets hold the earbuds in place as they are charging in the case, and little LEDs at the front give you a rough indication of how much battery you have left. Battery life has been impressive so far. The earbuds itself offer up to 10 hours of battery life and an additional 30 hours in the case, giving you 40 hours in total. Pairing with your phone and getting connected to the companion app is incredibly simple as well. The app shows the buds at the top, showing you the exact battery levels on them. Then there's a section dedicated to ANC, another with the equalizer, a gesture section, ambient aware mode, and a voice aware slider, among others. Other settings live here too, like the fit test, power saving modes, and find my buds feature. It's great to have so many features packed in here, and they are displayed in a way that isn't so overwhelming. The dashboard looks great and allows you to access all functionality of the headphones in just a couple of taps. Honestly, the JBL Live 2 Pro sounds solid and impressive for the price. Noise cancellation is the true star of the show here as well. The sound is well balanced throughout the range and it has a wide soundstage right out of the box. They also handle bass really well and the vocals are pretty clear as well. The JBL Live 2 Pro True Wireless Earbuds hits above its weight in almost every way. Noise cancellation is particularly good and it's adaptive as well, which makes it perfect for busy and noisy environments whilst you're commuting. The sound is good and EQ customization is great as you would expect. The JBL Live Pro 2 is available across all Telefonika stores nationwide and can be purchased online as well. Thanks for watching to the end and make sure you like this video if you found this video interesting. Let me know what you think about these earbuds from JBL. I go by the name Jason and I'll catch you in another one. Peace out.